In today's lecture, we will gonna see pivot table. So let's know what is pivot table. Pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data that lets you see comparison patterns and trends. So if you see this, it has a lot many data. Uh, so it is a bit difficult or cryptic to analyze the data and find the patterns in the table. So pivot table make it easy for us. So select the range for which you want to create pivot tables. So press Control Shift and right arrow to go last column. And similarly, you press Shift Control down arrow to go to the last row. Here, you select the whole table and go to Insert tab and select Pivot Table. Here, select the location where you want to create your pivot table. So, okay, yeah, new sheet appears and all the titles of the column here are present. So select the field. Here we want to analyze different jobs have maximum salary in different departments. So let's say add the jobs, drag and drop to different jobs and department wise columns and maximum salary. Okay, okay. So here you can set the value fields. Here we want to calculate maximum annual salary. So here select maximum. Okay. So here we can see that this table is pretty much good to analyze the data. Here we can set different account, different job titles have different annual salary in different departments. Yeah.